బీరకాయలు బ్రో.
బీరకాయలు కొత్త కొత్తిమీర కాస్ట్ 150 రూపాయలు. ఒక కేజీ చికెన్ కాస్ట్ 120 రూపాయలు.
It's normal now to enter into Germany just with a fully vaccinated certificate. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to Krish in Germany. So yeah, today there's no much agenda as such. So I'm just sitting here by this river. By the way, it's Friday, and I had only one lecture today. So I'm done with my lecture. Had lunch in Mensa, which is a student mess, and then took my cycle while coming back home. It's a very sunny day, so I found this place, such a cool place. There are a few benches to sit by, and then Europeans, they like sun, they like to get tanned, sit in the sun. Today actually it's 16 degrees centigrade. Very good weather to sit around and sit by the river, and I see them reading books and doing nothing, just enjoying the sun. So yeah, so I wanted to tell about few things about COVID certificate here in Germany. Everybody who comes here in Germany in the first semester, they're asking me about this, how to get a COVID certificate if you have a Indian COVID certificate. Okay, by the way, I've got a table free here. Probably I'll just go sit there and then talk the rest. So it's very simple, guys. You don't have to worry about the negative result while you travel to Germany, at least now, because India is not considered the danger zone or the risky area. It's normal now to enter into Germany just with a fully vaccinated certificate. Of course, you should have a fully vaccinated certificate. If you're fully vaccinated, make sure you update your passport number in your COVID app, so that whenever you download your certificate, it comes with your passport number. Unlike generally it comes with your Aadhaar number, which is not valid, but you should have your passport number on your COVID certificate. So yeah, you can just update your passport number if you're planning to travel, and then it will be reflecting in your COVID certificate. So once you arrive in Germany, all you have to do is just go to nearby apotheke. Probably if you ask anybody or any colleagues or students you're meeting, you're already there, and then you can just go ask them where is the apotheke. Apotheke is basically a medical store kind of stuff, where they have a certified physicians or doctors, I would say. I'm not sure what are their qualifications, but they are certified, and you can get a valid German COVID certificate. So how do you do that? You just carry your Indian COVID certificate, which is fully vaccinated. Go to nearby apotheke, carry your passport for sure, because that's your basic identity that you are from this specific country, so that they can verify it if it is a risky area or non-risky area, and based on that they can provide you the relevant certificate. So you just go there, provide your certificate, and say that you're from India, you've recently arrived, and you need a German certificate. So and then they'll just enter your details, and they'll print out two certificates. One says 1/2 on it, which means the first dose, and the other one says 2/2, which means the second dose. And then you need to download an app called Covi Pass or Covi Pass, where you can just scan the QR codes that present on that particular certificates, and that's it. You can go anywhere. You're fully vaccinated, but there is some issue in a few places, or if you're traveling, or if you're if you have to enter a few restaurants or places or bars, or some pubs, they might ask you to have a 2G plus, which means along with fully vaccinated certificate you should have a recently done COVID test. It should be negative result, or even if you have a booster dose, that is also called 2G plus here, which means you are fully vaccinated and you even have a booster dose, or you have recently got your test done and it came out to be negative. So this way, yeah, you can prove that you are eligible to go anywhere. Yeah, that's it, guys. Okay, probably I can go near the river. So this is a Donav river, Donav say they call it. This is the Nama
Frida.
Frida. Good to meet you.
Yeah.
I don't want. Beerkal, bro.
Kirdoskay.
Oh, Beerkal. Oh, how cheap is chicken here?
Cheaper than coriander.
Really? It's very poor. But this is 1 kg and coriander 100 grams.
కట్ట కొత్తిమీర కాస్ట్ 150 రూపాయలు. ఒక కేజీ చికెన్ కాస్ట్ 120 రూపాయలు.
How long does it take?
Depends on your pronunciation.
10 minutes?
20 minutes.